You can squabble on your own damn time. Scorch of Prometheus!
Yes, Mama!
Heavenly Bomba!
Yeah, here's the deal. The first person who dodges her attack loses!
Who would agree to that crap? You're a grown-ass man and you're still pulling this nonsense? Go ahead and die! You don't have what it takes to make it with real pirates!
Find it! You're losers and I win!
Whatever. Suit yourselves.
I'm not playing.
But if you're not playing, then why are you still standing here?
Yeah, you wusses. Just go!
Hey! Watch out!
Why did you all just stand there? That hurt! Hold on! Did you move?
I didn't move a damn inch!
Liar! I saw both of you moving!